we'll guide you through how to use Duolingo offline. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Duolingo app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account using your email address, username, or a connected account. Before preparing lessons for offline access, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Wait for the home screen and your selected language course to load completely. If necessary, tap your current language course from the main screen to open it. While you are still online, complete or open several lessons within the course. This helps the app gather lesson information for later use. Give the app enough time to automatically cache lesson data on your device. Next, check that your Duolingo app is updated to the latest available version. After that, open your device settings and confirm that Duolingo has permission to use storage on the device. Return to the app and browse through the lessons that you want to access while offline. Keep the app open for several minutes so the lesson content can finish downloading properly. Once the content is ready, turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. After disconnecting from the internet, reopen the Duolingo app. Tap Previously Loaded Lessons to begin practicing without an active connection. You can complete exercises such as vocabulary reviews, listening activities, and matching exercises while offline. Save your lesson progress inside the app as you continue learning without internet access. When you finish your lessons, reconnect your device to the internet. Wait while Duolingo automatically syncs your offline progress, completed activities, and streak information. After the sync process finishes, check your profile and lesson path to confirm that all completed progress has been updated correctly. If everything appears correctly, your offline session was successfully recorded. Open lessons while connected, allow time for content to download, disconnect from the internet, complete your lessons offline, and reconnect later so Duolingo can synchronize your progress and keep your learning record fully updated across devices whenever needed in the future. This ensures lessons remain available during travel periods.